Hello everybody, you know what time it is? It's Wednesday. So nice to have you again. If this is your first time, where have you been? Hit the subscribe button so you can see more of me, and thumbs up to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. So this video is my makeup collection video. Some of them I got from drugstore and some of them I got from my last trip when I went to Nigeria. I got some of them, so they're not from drugstores. So let's start. In no particular order, I'm going to start with Zaron. I've never tried their product before and I wanted to, and all I go with lipsticks actually. One is a gloss and the other one is a normal lipstick. So I'm actually wearing it. That's what I'm wearing here. So this is it. It comes in like this packaging like this, and the shade is 06 DUSK. Yeah, so I absolutely love it. It's from the Eclipse collection. And this is it. Look at it. So it's what I'm wearing. I really love it. It just really stands out, like the color. It's like, I would say it's like, I don't know, maybe velvet or burgundy. It's a mixture, but it's really good. I love it on me. And also I got the lip gloss, as I said. It's similar to this, but it's a darker shade. Yes, it's darker, so I'm going to show you guys that one. And this is how it is, like this. And this is Violetta 03. Yeah. Again, I'm actually wearing this right now. I did put the lipstick on and the lip gloss. So yeah, this is how it is. I like the packaging, I must say. And this is matte satin, so yeah, just so you know. Look at it. Oh, it feels so soft and I love it. And the color is just, I think it's beautiful for my skin tone. Yeah. And I wanted something like this, really. I mean, I know it's summer, but sometimes I just want to have this kind of look that looks like dramatic and also sexy for me. So let's go to the next one. Enough about Zaron. So the next one is definitely Tara. So for the Tara collection, I got, this is it. I got foundation, concealer, and a lipstick. Now the foundation is what I'm wearing. Yes. And it's a medium coverage foundation. This is how the packaging is, and I'm actually wearing it now. How did I open this? I'm coming, guys. Work with me. It comes like in a tube shape, which is cool though. I like it. Yeah, this is it. And this is, I don't know if I could tell the color, but I think this is TF312. I think that's the color. This is my first time actually using this product also, so I don't know. But yeah, this is it. It's medium coverage foundation, and that's what I'm wearing here. So you can see that it's really good for my skin tone. I didn't want like a full coverage. I just wanted something like this, and it feels really good on my skin. And then that's the only thing I'm actually wearing from the product here. And then let's go to the concealer. The concealer is something similar to LA Girl or something like that. Yeah, I actually used that one. The concealer is very much similar to that one. And I haven't used this one, but I had this tested on me. That's why I know this shade is my shade, because I had it tested on me when I usually like to go to the store, sit down, and then they will apply it on me, and then I will know this is what I want. And is there anything about the color in this one? Nothing really. I think their colors are like in numbers. Yeah. If I find the color, I'll write it in this video. But this is the foundation, I mean the concealer I got. And this is the foundation. And for the lipstick, I wanted orange color. I think I've had an orange lipstick, but it wasn't, it was like just something I got from a China store. But this one is from Tara, and I think it's, not that I think, the feel on my lips is really different because I've applied it, but I didn't apply it for this video. So it's a satin lip color, and I mean the feel, not the color. And the color is orange. I'm going to show you guys. This is how it comes. And I love it. It's like, it's very thin. It's not as bulky as the other one. Look at this. Yes. And you open it and you can tell that I've applied it. Like I've used it. And this is the color. Look at that beautiful color. So this is definitely a summer color for me. And that's why I got it. Yeah. So I'm definitely going to do this, like apply this on another video for you guys to see. So let's go to the next one. So the next ones I didn't get from Nigeria. I got them right here. Now for my eyebrows, it's always a struggle. I'm not a professional, but I got this eyebrow stencil set. And I got this from, where was this? Rossmann, yes, it's somewhere in Germany. And they have like 3 style for your eyebrows. They have the dramatic, natural, and the glam. And you can tell that I've used them because it's got like stains in it. Yeah. So these are very helpful. I mean, like if you're a professional, you don't need it. But if you're just starting, this is really helpful because when you put it like directly on your eyebrows and you just hold it down and then you can draw through it. So it gives you like, it helps you to begin. So eventually you're definitely going to use your concealer to conceal around and then make sure it looks perfect. So I do use these. These are like my new ones. And I think I got this for maybe €1 or something, but they're really, really helpful. And usually when I do my eyebrows, I probably know how to do just one style. But when I have these, then I can just do 3 styles, and that's really cool. And then the eyebrow powder that I'm using, no, not powder, it's actually pomade. The eyebrow pomade I'm using is also from River de Loop, and this is from River de Loop, and it's from Rossmann. Is this one. Now I absolutely love this one. I was using one before, if you saw my other video where I used Milani foundation. I think I did that makeup tutorial in Nigeria. I was using another eyebrow, but this one, I love this one because the pomade is really thick and I don't get irritated, and it really stays, like it really stays long. So this is how it looks, and yeah, this is it. And it comes with like the brush. It's got like 2-part. Here you can, if you can see it, you can brush here, and then here you can use it to define your brows or put the color the way you want. And this shade is 02 Dark Brown. Really, really love it. I've used it, and I use this almost like every day, and look, it's still like a lot in it. So yeah, so that's really helpful. So another thing I got from River de Loop is an eyeshadow base, and I got these because when you buy I think like cheap eyeshadows, they don't really stay on, like they don't just stay on properly. So when you use this, well, for me, when I use this, it stays. Like actually now I'm actually using a drugstore, I'm wearing a drugstore eyeshadow, but this like helped me, you know, get it to stay on really good. So this is good. And the only thing is I had like the glitter eyeshadow, and you know when you put glitter eyeshadow and it just messes everywhere. So yeah, some of it got into this. So I'm always gonna have glitter whenever I use this eyeshadow base. So that's it. Going to the next thing I got from River de Loop. I keep looking here because that's where I want to take it from. But the thing is, I don't particularly love this. I wanted to try it. It's just a very affordable setting spray, but I have a problem with it. So it's 2 actually. This is the primer spray and this is the fixing spray. My issue is the primer spray is the one you put on your face before you start your makeup, and then the fixing spray is when you're done. The fixing spray stings. It really stings. They should check it and, you know, fix it. It stings. It's not comfortable. It's not like what I enjoy doing. Because I have other ones, but I really wanted to try this. I love it. I really love the primer. But it's a bit harsh, if I must say. So yeah, that's it. So these 2 I got. And I'm actually wearing them on too, so you can see that they're good. So another thing I got from the drugstore again is the Revolution blush palette. I absolutely love this. I had one, not this one, another one I got from Rossmann, and I've exhausted it. So I knew I needed to replace it, and then I got this one. And that's what I'm using for this video. If you can see my, I don't know if I put a lot, but if you can see it, like my blush and I use this to highlight. So that's what I'm wearing actually in this video. I'm going to show you guys the color very well. You can see the colors. Yeah, this usually I use it to highlight. Yeah, but this is supposed to be for blushing, but I use it to highlight, and sometimes I even use it as eyeshadow. But it's new, so you wouldn't see that I've used it a lot. And what else? Another thing I got is this, what's this called? Eyelash curler. Yes, I got these because, funny story, I thought they would help me fix my falsies, but no. I can't do that with this. This is just to curl my eyelashes. And they really do work actually. But I don't use it all the time. But they're really, really cool. Now to my favorite foundation that I had to replace because I exhausted the old one. Milani. So I had to replace it because I was done with the one I had. And this is the number 10 Golden Tan. I love this. You can see I got it from Nigeria. The price tag is still there. And this is 5,000 naira, which is like €12 or something like that. Yeah. And I absolutely love this. And of course, this is the one I was talking about, the LA Girl Pro. Yeah. So I had to get the concealer because this concealer really works for me. And this is the concealer I'm actually wearing in this makeup. I mean, in this makeup, in this video, this concealer, but not this foundation. I'm using the Tara foundation. Yeah, so I absolutely love it. This is what I was saying, that Tara was somehow close to this one, if you can see. Yeah. And another foundation that I love, and I also got it again, is black opal. I really do love black opal. It really works for me. So I got the Truly Topaz. I haven't used it, but I love this. I use this sometimes to contour, and sometimes for my everyday makeup I don't want to use other foundations. I just use this and it just works for me. It really does work for me. I think I'm wearing it like this sides just to like give it a little bit of darker color. Yeah. And then my setting powder or my baking powder, whatever you want to call it, is also black opal. I love this setting powder. It's just really nice for me. I love it. It's finishing powder, oil control, and this is in the shade medium. Yes, I think I've used a light before, but this one is the medium. I absolutely love it. I had to get a new container because I had another one that I was using, which is this one, and this is the light 02 and this is the medium 03. So this is definitely my setting powder. This is what I use, and that's all the things I have for you guys in my makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna do tutorials with this makeup. I'm not a professional, but hey, we're girls and we love to make up and look pretty if you do love it like me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. You know I love you, but God loves you best.